In today's lesson, I'm going to go over Metatrader. Now, Metatrader is, I believe, the number one app that everyone should be using when they are first starting off trading Forex, or at least when they are starting off with learning Forex. Metatrader acts as a host. It acts as a host where you can log in through your broker in order for you to execute live trades in the markets, okay, in the foreign exchange markets. So I'm going to cover real quick MetaTrader in a very easy way, and hopefully everyone here understands how to really navigate on MetaTrader. First, we can begin by going on over to the App Store if you have Apple. If not, then you may want to go through the Google Play Store. But anyway, on the search bar, you're going to search for MetaTrader. All right, you're going to see MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 4 is more common. All right, so we're going to click on MetaTrader 4. Then from here, you're going to see open or get. All right, so if you don't have it, you're going to see get. So just click on it and then you'll be able to download it to your mobile device. Now, when you first get on MetaTrader, all right, what you want to do is you want to go over to the settings and you are going to want to start a demo account, or you are going to log in through your broker there. So as you go through your settings, you want to click on new account, and then you're going to see the screen appear. It's going to read open a demo account or log into an existing account. Ideally, you want to, look for regulated brokers in your area. That'll be a good starting point. Or if another person recommends you to another broker, all right, then you want to first register with that broker. Then you download MetaTrader and you can log into your broker MetaTrader 4 account right after clicking on log into an existing account. If you fresh and brand spanking new, you can open just a regular demo account right on MetaTrader. So either or, go with one of those options. You're going to see that the quote screen, all right, is set to the simple quotes over here. And you're going to see a few trading assets there, right? If you want to add any more, you just simply click on the plus sign. And depending what broker you are logged in through, you could add other trading assets to your watch list. Now, different brokers will allow you to trade on different trading assets. So keep that in mind, all right? You really want to look around to see what broker may be a better fit for you. For me, when I click advanced, I like to see this because it's going to give us the spread. The difference between the bid and the ask price is usually the spread, and the spread is how the brokers get paid. So again, be mindful of what brokers you select. Some brokers have spreads that is not, that is not really that bad. And there are some brokers out there that has high spreads. So you really want to avoid high spread brokers, right? Because the idea when it comes to trading is to minimize your risks, potentially maximize your profit making potential. So let's just say I want to trade on GBP JPY. And let's say I want to look at the chart first, okay? Now, you can view the charts on MetaTrader. Either you want to do it the portrait screen way, or if you rotate your phone, okay, then you're going to see the full screen version of it. What I find for me is that it is probably better to log in through the MetaTrader website on the web. So you can look at the web terminal for MetaTrader, or you can use a charting software like what I use, okay? Now, obviously, for those of you that already know about TVX, I use the TVX software such as Liberty. Now, I don't like to rely on analyzing through a phone, okay? It's really a small window to work with. It's helpful when you have at least two devices, maybe MetaTrader 4 on your mobile device is what you use to execute your positions. But as far as visually analyzing is concerned, I find it helpful to have at least, a tablet or an iPad, a MacBook or another laptop or iMac or some other desktop as what you mainly want to use to analyze, okay? Instead of analyzing through a phone, okay? Right? Battery is limited. So the thing that you don't want to happen is you're analyzing, all on your phone and then your battery runs out. Or even worse, you are in a live trading, your phone dies and there's not a charger in sight for the next couple of hours. That could be some of the worst things that could happen to you as a new trader. So it's helpful when you have two devices. Only use Metatrader to execute your positions, and that is just my 2 cents on that. Okay. So now we're getting into the order screen, and I think this is where a lot of people get confused. Okay. So market execution, what that means is that wherever the market is at, all right, you are going to either sell or buy right where the market is at in real time. Okay. So it'll immediately put you in a position right off the bat. Okay. A pending order, however, is when the market hits certain levels, okay, before the trade actually activates. So when you actually click on market execution, you're going to see some of the pending order options available. You're going to see it pull up right in front of you. And so the easiest way to understand the pending orders, all right, let me get in here. See if I can pull up. Yes, got it right here. These are the pending order types, okay? You have buy stop, all right, which is an order placed above the current market price and price is rising up. All right, so when you place the order above where the market is currently at and the market goes up and hits it, when it crosses it, that time when it contacts the buy stop level to cross up, that is when that buy is going to activate. In the buy limit, the order is placed below where the market is currently at. And the idea is that you're placing this buy limit right at a support level or right at a buy entry zone area. Okay. And then the trade will activate right when it comes from the top and it hits that buy limit level, it'll activate there. A sell stop is when you place the order below where the market is currently at and you believe is going to continue to go down. And once the market crosses down that sell stop level, that sell is going to activate. And sell limit, the order placed above the current market price is falling down, and boom, there you go. Okay. So this is the difference between the pending order types. So remember, market execution, you will be entered into a trade in real time right away. All right. Instant or market execution. When you click on that, all right, the pending order types will appear and you can select one or the other. A stop loss is a safety net. It prevents you from losing more money, all right, than you are willing to risk for a position. A take profit is an exit level. So if the market is going in your favor, all right, this exit level will exit you out of the market in profits, okay? So it is very helpful that you put your safety net. It is very helpful that you put your exit level on. And the reason why is because you will have the peace of mind knowing the potential outcomes of your position. All right. You will know the outcomes of your position, whether it goes right, whether it goes good. All right. And so there's a couple of useful tools that I use for that. And I reserve that for my trainings in the TVX Academy. All right. So if you don't know what the TVX Academy is, please reach out to me on any one of my social media channels. Instagram, you can reach out to me if you want more information on the TVX Academy. And if you are within the Mind on Billion squad, the MOB squad, okay, you should already know this, okay? Because if you are a member of my team, then you are already added in the company. All right, so I Am Mastery Academy is who Mind on Billions is partnered with. So if you're part of the Mind on Billions team, you need to be familiar with I Am Mastery Academy. TVX is one of the platforms that I Am Mastery Academy provides. All right, and I'm an educator on there. So If you want more information about IM and TBX Academy, reach out to me. All right. If you are already MOB member and maybe you're new, okay, reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to guide you how to navigate through this. If you are not a part of anything whatsoever, ladies and gentlemen, reach out to me and get some more get your questions answered, become a part of the MOB squad. All right. And join our sessions. If you're already in IM, that's fine. Just join our TBX sessions. Okay. So with that said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope this information was valuable and easy to understand. It's very simple to execute a position. I mean, if I enter the stop loss level, all right, let's say I wanted to go for 12.800 stop loss level. Okay, right over here. All right, I can enter that in. What is this? This is USDJPY. So let me switch it up. This is how you switch it up. Okay. Stop loss, let's just say 128.80. All right. And let's just say I wanted my take profit to be, see where it's at, where the market is at right now. Let's say I just wanted it to be 128.400. All right. And I'm in on this sell. Then there we have it. That is how you activate a position with the stop loss and with the take profit. Now, when I click on trade to see how the trades are working out, I could just simply go on the bottom and click trade. All right. The market will almost always start you off in the losing zone. But whenever you want to modify or close a trade, all right, you have these options to choose from. If I wanted to modify my stop loss and take profit, I would do it right over here. It's very simple to do it. You just switch around the numbers. All right. If I wanted to close this position right now, then I can close the position where I have it, or I could close in partial profits. Okay, I could close in partial profits, half profits, or whatever the case may be. All right, you could do it all over here as you are closing, and it's all completely up to you. So when it comes to Metatrader 4 trading, the market may need a little bit for it to breathe. All right, and then once the market is in profit, you can simply just end the trade just like that, and you will be in the profit zone. So let's look at that. And there we go. Not much of a profit at all, but you get the idea. If I wanted to get back into that position, I most certainly could. All right, and there we have it. I can wait to be able to close this. You wait a little bit, let the market do its thing. When it's ready to drop and you're in the sell, you close it out in profits. Boom, there you go. There you have it. Look in the history, see what's going on. All right, but just keep in mind, because of spreads, all right, you could cash out, right? But if the spread is too big, you could still possibly be in a negative. So let's try this once again. All right, and let's see what happens. All right, looks like it's working its way down. And there we have it, okay? So you can see, all right, that the spreads, it's how the broker makes money. So it kind of works against your profits. But eventually, ladies and gentlemen, all right, as long as you're analyzing the market using powerful analysis softwares, which if you are part of TBX, you already have access to. And as long as you understand how MetaTrader works, all right, how to log in through your broker on Metatrader 4 before you execute your positions, you'll have an edge over everyone else. So look, this is just a really, really quick example. All right. I'm not actually full-fledged analyzing the market and taking my time to trade. This is just a tutorial video. Of course, if I had all the time in the world, I would stay on and we'll be on for an hour at a time, like how I am when you get access to the TBX sessions, the live sessions that we have at TBX. But for the most part, my time is limited. Okay. I have other businesses. I'm involved in the entertainment business as well, for those that don't know. All right. I run a record label. I gotta hurry up and get to the studio. It's already 3:20. It takes me about 40 minutes to get there. So, so with that said, ladies and gents, I hope this video was helpful and easy for you to understand. Make sure you subscribe for more information, more content, more everything. Of course, you won't get the full sauce unless you're already a part of TBX. I'm contract to I Am Master Academy. So all of my lessons, all of my strategies, all of my everything is on TBX, and MOB is the squad that I'm running with. So if you're a part of the squad, you can't be a part of the squad without being an IM. So, all right, that's just plain and simple. In IM, we do have some incredible educators that teach us crypto, metaverse, NFTs. We have phenomenal individuals that's teaching e-commerce as well. We have SFX, all right, the stocks and futures mentorship coming soon through IM. I am on the side of fast-paced trading, and that includes Metatrader 4 and, of course, binary options. So anyway, I hope all this information was easy for you to understand. I'll see you on one of my sessions or one of our live meetups. With that said, peace out.